you got the baddest. Show me you can handle this. Bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do this reverse ombre liner look, and it came out so nice. Whoa, the camera just went down. It came out so nice. I'm so happy with how it came out. So if you want to learn how to do this look, keep on watching. I don't like how the lips kind of came out, but whatever. Oh, and today is my anniversary with my channel, so it's my 1 year anniversary. So yay! I just want to thank you guys so much for keeping through with me for 1 year. The one that have been here since day one, and the ones that are new to my channel. So here's to more and more connections with many people and positivity all around. Here's for many more years and many more success. The sock guy. But yeah, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so I primed my eyelid and I did this eye off camera just for time's sake, and well, I wanted to practice, see how good it looked. It looks, I think I like it. I feel like it would look better with the eyelashes on, but let's start with this eye. So for this eye, I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette with this shade Creamsicle, and in the 35O palette in this shade. I'm going to mix those two shades to make my color. Taking this brush, I have no, it's a concealer brush. I'm just gonna use this one because I forgot my Morphe brush, and this is the only brush I have. So putting this shade right above my crease. So that's gonna be the transition color. That's yellowish enough. So now for my crease, I'm going to be taking this shade from the Jaclyn X Morphe palette that's named Roxanne, and from the 35O palette, I'm going to be taking that shade. I'll mix those two and put that onto my crease. Okay, now I'm going to go in for a darker shade right underneath my crease. And I'm going to go in with Jax and Mocha from the Jaclyn X Hill X Morphe palette. Well, not Mocha. I'm just going to go in with Jax from the Jaclyn X Hill X Morphe palette. And just apply it lightly underneath a bit my crease. It's time to cut the half cut crease. I'm going to take LA Girl Pro. Hey! Yeah, boy. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. I got a new one. Ooh, ooh. And this brush, it has no name. I have no idea where it is from. This brush. Cut crease a bit higher than my crease because I do have a hooded eye and I wanted to show, so I think right there is good. With the same brush, I'm going to clean it with my makeup wipe. Now I'm going to do the ombre part. So on the edge, I'm going to do the color from my crease. On the middle, I'm going to do the color from the second crease, and then the first part, I'm going to do a whitish color. Alright, basically. So for the corner, I'm going to be using Jack's. I'm going to go in with the orange color from the 35O palette, which is this one. Orange. For the corner, I'm going to be using this white shade from the 35O palette. This whiter is larger than this white, so I'm going to try to even it out with the orange. So, yeah. Now to do the ombre liner. I'm going to use this angled brush and my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Of course, I need another concealer. I need more diversity. This is our part. I'm going to try to do a good concealer. I'm gonna start with the
All the girls wind up on the dance floor. We go hard till the sun come up. Ganja smoking, we got rum in me cup. Bad girls wind up on the dance.
You're gonna let that dry for a bit. Again with this, you are going to put the same colors but backwards on the line. So you put the white on the corner wing, the orange on this one, and then on this part, the middle section, and on the edge you're going to put the purple. So let's start with the purplish, which is purplish red burgundy-ish, I don't know, Jack's color. And you're just going to take... Ya voy, espérate. Ya yo estoy terminando, espérate. And then in the middle here, you're going to, in between the orange and the purple, you're going to put the orange color. This one. Corner, you're going to take the white shade that you had on the inner corner, which is this one from the 35O palette. Clean it out like that. And then there you go. That's your eye look. Now I feel like it's gonna look way better with the eyelashes though, so I'll be right back with some eyelashes. Boom, eyelashes. Now I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do for my lower lash line and my lip color. Okay, by the way, the lashes I'm using are the Paris Hilton Everlang eyelashes, and it comes with this really cute packaging, and I was very iffy about using them because they don't feel so real. Like, they don't feel like, I don't know, like the other lashes I have. I usually use these for like the Halloween stuff because it's like fake, and you know, but I'm not mad at how they came out. They look really cute. I just have to give them a try. So I did my face off camera. Boom. I did my face off camera, so now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for my under eyes. So for my under eye, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette in the shade. I'm going to use Jack's and Hunt's, these two shades. And underneath it, I'm going to put Jack's. Eyes twitching because, yeah. Okay, now from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I know this eyelash is getting me upset, oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna take this shade, which is Beam, and apply that to the inner corner of my eye. Boom, that's beaming. That is beaming. colors from the Lippy Countdown shade. This is NYX Lingerie in the shade Push Up, and this is NYX Intense Butter Lip Gloss in the shade Tres Leches. So I'm gonna mix both because I really love how they look. So let's do this one. It's like nude. I feel like it looks weird on my skin tone. I think I might have to like this one. This one intensifies it. It makes it pinker. Alright, so I asked my mom and she said this color looked good. I feel like it looks kind of weird for my skin color, but I don't know. I can't really find another color that goes good with this one and that palette because I gave most of them to my mom. So yeah. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to help your homegirl out. I'm still trying to hit 500 by the end of the month, and it's the 15th, the 14th already. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out.